Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best Learn to Knit kit is probably one of the most rewarding crafts you can learn. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of knitting, exploring everything you need to get started. From needles to yarn, and patterns to instructions, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to refresh your skills, this guide will help you find the perfect kit to start your knitting journey. Number 5. Creativity for Kids Learn to Knit Pocket Scarf. This kit is perfect for beginners. It makes learning to knit fun and simple with step-by-step instructions and colorful materials. It's a great way to start a new hobby. Knitting is a relaxing activity. The repetitive motions help you unwind while boosting important skills. It's a great way to focus and create something beautiful. The kit includes everything you need to make a scarf. It comes with yarn, needles, and all the accessories. You'll have a complete set to start your project right away. Once finished, you'll have a stylish scarf with a pocket. It's perfect for storing small items. You can show off your creation and keep your essentials close. Creativity for Kids has been inspiring creativity since 1976. This kit is designed for ages 9 and up. It's a fun way to build confidence and express yourself. What we like. This kit is perfect for beginners, offering step-by-step instructions and all the necessary materials. It allows you to create a functional pocket scarf. If you are looking for a fun and practical project to start with, this kit is an excellent choice for you. What people say. The directions were very easy to follow and the loom, the tools and the yarn are all of excellent quality. They give you plenty of yarn to do both of these projects and I still have enough left over to use to make another small size item. The hat size is exactly as it should be, and even though my hubby's noggin is a larger size than what this hat is made for, he was still able to fit it on to wear for a photo opportunity, LOL. Number 4. First time knitting. Are you ready to learn how to knit? This guide is perfect for beginners. It will walk you through the basics. First, gather your supplies. You'll need yarn and knitting needles. This is the first step to creating something beautiful. Casting on is the first step in knitting. It creates the initial row of stitches. It might seem tricky at first, but you'll get the hang of it. The knit stitch is the most basic stitch. Once you master it, you can create many different projects. Practice makes perfect. Once you've finished knitting, you'll need to bind off your stitches. This secures your work. Now you can enjoy your creation. What we like. NA. What people say. This one has been really easy to follow. Plus it has a step-by-step approach so that you can learn and practice each stitch pattern. The well-photographed steps for the knit and purl stitches available in print, along with my verbal encouragement, make for excellent completion of each stitch. Clear pictures and directions that let me take it at my own pace, and to know that making swatches before starting a big project is a thing, and it's making my project turn out better than expected. Number 3. Hapinest Knitting Loom Kit for Kids. This kit is designed for young beginners. It provides everything they need for a fun and creative activity. It's a great way to get started with knitting. This kit enhances fine motor skills and tactile sensory abilities. It combines education and creativity, making it a great choice for kids who love to craft. Learning to knit is a breeze with the large round loom and sturdy crochet hook. The step-by-step instructions make it simple to create beanies or hats and infinity scarves. This set is perfect for beginners. Inspire the young crafter with a gift that encourages creativity and self-expression. It's ideal for birthdays or holidays, letting them make unique, handmade items. The kit includes everything needed for circle loom knitting. The comprehensive guide and included tools ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience for kids and beginners. They will love it. What we like. This kit uses a knitting loom, making it incredibly easy for beginners to pick up. It includes everything needed to make hats and scarves. If you want a quick and simple project that yields satisfying results, this loom kit is ideal. What people say. Easy to follow directions. She is enjoying and learning how to make new items. The book is easy to follow with lots of fun projects. Number 2. Boye Beginner's Knitting Set. This set is perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to start knitting, including needles and accessories. It's a great way to learn a new skill. The set comes with a Teach Yourself Knitting book. This guide will walk you through the basics, making it easy to get started. You'll be creating your own projects in no time. Inside, you'll find 2 sets of knitting needles, cable stitch needles, and tapestry yarn needles. These tools are essential for any knitting project. With this set, you're ready to go. The kit also includes a knit tally, stitch holder, cabwan rings, point protectors, and a knit gauge. These accessories will help you keep track of your stitches and ensure your projects turn out perfectly. They make the process much easier. Boye has been a trusted name in knitting since 1906. The company was the first American manufacturer of crochet hooks and knitting needles. You can trust the quality of this set. What we like. This set includes a Teach Yourself book, providing comprehensive guidance for learning. It comes with multiple sets of needles and various accessories. If you are looking for a kit that offers a structured learning experience with all the essential tools, you should consider this one. What people say. This is a great beginner's knitting book and DVD. It includes a variety of things you need to complete one of 18 different projects in the book. The needle sizes are perfect for beginners. Number 1. Boye Knitting for Beginners Kit, 9 patterns. Are you ready to learn how to knit? This kit is perfect for beginners. It's an easy way to get started with this relaxing craft. Inside, you'll find 2 pairs of knitting needles, a yarn needle, stitch markers, and a fabric measuring tape. This has everything you need to start your first project. This kit comes with 9 different patterns. You can create a scarf, shawl, and more. It's a great way to practice and improve your skills. You can use any yarn you like with this kit. This allows you to personalize your projects with your favorite colors and textures. Get creative and have fun. This kit is designed to make learning easy. It's a great way to introduce yourself or a friend to the world of knitting. Start creating beautiful items today. What we like. This kit provides multiple patterns to practice and expand your knitting skills. It includes needles and accessories, ready for your own yarn. If you enjoy creating different projects and want to experiment with various patterns, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. As a novice, walked me through the fundamentals very nicely. The needles that came with are great for a beginner. I have never knit before. Over the course of 12 hours, I'd created my first knitted strip to make a blanket. The book teaches you different terms and abbreviations used in knitting instructions, and just like a recipe it tells you the type of yarn and color to buy, you can use different colors than what's listed. The needles are super lightweight aluminum, it's very easy to slip stitches with the smooth surface. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.